The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces have engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Dvurechная and Timkovka in Kharkov region. The enemy's losses in this direction amounted to 55 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 2 motor vehicles. In the Krasny Liman direction, ground attack and dummy aviation, artillery and units of the center group of forces have inflicted fire damage on enemy manpower and military equipment close to Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, Yampolovka and Terny in Donetsk People's Republic. More than 85 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored vehicles, 3 pickup trucks and 1 D-20 howitzer have been destroyed during the day in this direction. In total, 404 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,573 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,399 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,072 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,428 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,114 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 920 servicemen in a single day, including 6 tanks, 11 armored fighting vehicles as well as 7 artillery units and 9 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 169,890 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,580 tanks, 6,932 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine lasts for 395 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky in a statement March 25 said Ukraine needs a victory over the enemy at sea as well as on land and in the sky. Thank you for protecting our state in the maritime defense sector, in the Ukrainian Navy and the Coast Guard of the State Border Guard Service.
Україні потрібна перемога над ворогом у морі, так само як на землі і у небі. Російські кораблі вже завчили єдину для них перспективу в українських водах. Російський чорноморський флагман вже продемонстрував, що очікує будь-яку посудину.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.